Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify backup restoration in Azure VM using recovery services, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify backup restoration in an Azure VM using recovery services, begin by logging into your Azure portal. Navigate to the Recovery Services Vault where your backups are stored. In the Vault dashboard, click on the Backup Items option. Select Azure Virtual Machine from the list of backup items. Locate the virtual machine you want to verify and click on its name. In the VM's backup pane, select Restore to initiate the restoration process. Choose the type of restore you want to perform, such as restore to the original location or restore to a new location. If opting for a new location, specify the details for the new VM, including name and resource group. In the Restore Point section, select a suitable recovery point based on the date and time you wish to restore from. Once you've confirmed your selections, click on the Restore button to begin the restoration. After the restoration process completes, navigate back to the main Azure portal. Go to Virtual Machines to locate your restored VM. Check the status of the restored VM to ensure it is running properly. Once the VM is running, connect to it using Remote Desktop Protocol or SSH. Verify that the data and applications are functional as expected. Consider running tests to confirm that all necessary services are operational. Finally, document your findings and any issues encountered during this verification process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.